Here are the best YouTube channels for learning English. First of all, why use YouTube to learn English? Well, you can get a lot of extensive listening in. So extensive listening is when you listen a lot to something that is at your level or just slightly below your level. The key is that you understand like 70 or 80% of it, and that you're not pausing and stopping it all the time, and that you're not frustrated. You're listening to something just for fun. Extensive listening has been shown to be one of the most effective ways of improving your English grammar and vocabulary. Okay, so that said, let's get into the best YouTube channels. So the first thing I'll say is that you can try watching almost any YouTube video, just at a slower speed. On YouTube, there's an option to listen to things like 3/4 speed, half speed, etc. So I recommend just slowing down the video a little bit, and if you understand it, that's great. I don't recommend going below 50%. It'll be too frustrating and annoying. So listen to things more slowly. All right, and one of the best YouTube channels is BBC Learn English. So BBC Learn English is super professional and very well done. Check it out. You're going to find something at your level and something that is interesting. I highly recommend it to you, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. The next one is Voice of America Learn English. So these are kind of human interest, kind of news stories. And yeah, you're sure to find kind of a topic that interests you. And yeah, it's ideal for kind of beginners to even advanced learners as well. If you want to focus on pronunciation, accent reduction, speaking, then you'll want to check out Rachel's English. You spell Rachel Rachel''S, Rachel's English. And yeah, I think so many people find her videos helpful, and she's highly recommended. Has a ton of great reviews and a ton of positive comments on her videos that she makes. All right, and the final recommendation I have, if you're going to the USA to maybe work or to study or something like that, is checking out Lingua Marina. LinguaMarina. Lingua Marina. She has tons of like tips about culture, fitting in, learning English, how people actually talk in the USA. I think you'll find it so helpful. So please leave a comment and tell me your top YouTube channel for learning English. Also be sure to check out my book, Advanced English Conversation Dialogues. All right, catch you next time.